If you're interested in at-home skincare devices designed to help firm and tone the appearance of your face, you've probably come across the NUFACE Trinity Plus Facial Massager. Today we're reviewing this popular facial toning device, featuring microcurrent technology, 3 frequency settings, a dedicated lip and eye attachment, and an Aqua Gel Activator designed to work with the device. The big question is, can this device really become a worthwhile addition to your daily skincare routine? Let's find out. The NUFACE Trinity Plus is designed for users who want an at-home facial treatment experience without relying entirely on professional treatments. Instead of simply massaging the skin mechanically, the device uses microcurrent technology to deliver low-level electrical stimulation through the skin. The main device is designed for facial toning, while the additional lip and eye attachment is intended to make treatments more targeted around smaller areas of the face. For people interested in maintaining a consistent skincare routine, the device offers a convenient, portable format. Let's start with the core technology. The NUFACE Trinity Plus uses microcurrent stimulation as part of its facial toning system. The device features 3 frequency options, giving users different treatment modes depending on their preferred routine and the attachment being used. The goal is to support a firmer, more toned-looking appearance with consistent use. One of the advantages of a handheld device like this is control. You can move it across specific facial areas and incorporate treatments into your existing skincare routine. The compact design also makes it easy to store and use at home or while traveling. Another major highlight is the included lip and eye attachment. This attachment is designed for more targeted treatment around smaller facial areas where a standard attachment may be less convenient. The package also includes the Aqua Gel Activator, which is designed to help provide the conductive medium needed for microcurrent treatment. The device is also marketed as FDA-cleared for wrinkle reduction, giving it an important distinction from many generic beauty gadgets. For users who prefer structured skincare routines, the combination of the device, attachment, and activator creates a more complete treatment system. In everyday use, the NUFACE Trinity Plus feels more like a skincare treatment device than a conventional facial massager. The microcurrent sensation is generally subtle, and the device is designed to be used as part of a consistent routine rather than as a one-time treatment. The 3 frequency settings and targeted attachment provide flexibility, while the handheld design makes it easy to focus on different areas of the face. As with any skincare device, individual results can vary, and users should follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. The biggest advantage is convenience. You can incorporate the treatment into your regular skincare routine without scheduling a professional appointment. So, is the NUFACE Trinity Plus Facial Massager worth buying? If you're looking for a premium at-home microcurrent device focused on facial toning and the appearance of wrinkles, the Trinity Plus is certainly an option worth considering. Its combination of 3 frequency microcurrent technology, the lip and eye attachment, Aqua Gel Activator, and FDA-cleared wrinkle reduction indication gives it a more comprehensive approach than many basic facial massagers. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. This is a skincare device designed for consistent use, and individual results will vary. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of skincare devices, beauty technology, wellness products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.